Let's unbox this brand new cocktail shaker kit. See what all it comes inside. All right, so the first thing I can pull out is this long stir spoon. Very nice. I've got this in here. I like this all bubble wrap, so it's gonna stay nice and not scratch. This stainless steel, it looks like here. Got the muddler with that nice textured bottom, so yeah, that's nice there too. And then, let's see, oh yeah, here's the top. And then got the actual shaker. And the last thing in the box is just their recipe book. Oh, that's fun. It tells you the ingredients for certain popular cocktails. That's really cool. Yeah, that's all it is. It's really simple, nice, clean packaging, and now it's ready to use right away.